Hi, my name is Brian Resk, and this is our pool area that D'Angelo Landscape just finished up for us here in Duxbury. When I first started the process of trying to do some of the planning and the vision behind it, it was quite overwhelming, but as soon as we hired D'Angelo Landscape, it became a very seamless and easy process for us. They took a very consultative approach to this project. Like I said, it made it easy for us to make selections. They really held our hand through the entire process, from the layout to the materials to the colors, again, making it easy for us. Not to take you through the entire project, but we did a Bluestone Patio, natural cleft, full color, so it's not a consistent bluestone, more of an organic look, but we also did a veneer stone wall, Boston blend round stones. We capped it off with granite caps, as well as did granite around the pool area to break up the bluestone. Quality of the work was second to none. His technicians, masons, did amazing work. I'm very picky when it comes to stone walls, and the stone wall that they did is amazing. There's no gaps in between the stones. There's no mortar in between the stones. There's no small little stones in between them. They're large stones mated together. You don't see that quite often. Not anyone can do that. The patio itself, because it's a natural stone and not a manufactured product, typically it can be a difficult installation because there's different thicknesses because it's a natural stone, but everything's flat. The surface is very consistent. They did an amazing job. If I was to put in another pool, hopefully I won't have to, I would definitely recommend D'Angelo Landscape. Thank you.